Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gems in Brawl Stars with Google Play gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you have a Google Play gift card, so what first you need to do is firstly add it to your account. To do that, so open up your Play Store. So go to your Play Store and then click on your profile here on your top right. So click on your profile and then go to payments and subscriptions option here. So click on it, and then now if you have a Google Play gift card, so what are you going to do? You're going to click on the redeem code so that you can redeem the gift card to your account, so you can transfer those balance. So just type in the code, or you can click on scan to take a photo of the gift card. So either way, just redeem it and then type the code in and hit on redeem. So the balance will now be added to your Google account, and now you can use this as your preferred payment method. So now all you have to do is you can simply open up your Brawl Stars, and then when you go to purchase any gems there, you can simply process the payment through your Google Play gift card when you do the in-app purchases. So when you do any in-app purchases, it will be processed through your Google Play gift card, as we have already redeemed it on our Google account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.